Okay, let's try this for a bit, and then we'll use it for the application. Okay, so you stay neutral. Okay, so follow for a second. So you're staying neutral. Okay, so now you do your parry. Okay, now even your weight for the push. Here, not too much. Here. Okay, now I go to the side for my elbow. When I do that, you bring it with it. You bring. Okay, so you go here. Okay, now you step back. Again, even, right? Here. That's it. Okay, so after you do the elbow here, okay, you bring this out. Here. That's it. Okay? So, stay neutral. We do the parry. Okay, even the weight. Here. Now bring here. Okay? And down. That's it. Okay? So, one. Back. Push. Okay, bring. Elbow. Here. Okay? And down. That's it. Okay? Do a couple more. One. Even the weight. Up. Bring. Okay, and down. That's it. Down. Okay, lower. Down here. Okay, so one more. One. Even the weight. Two. Bring. Elbow. Then go down to the puga. Yeah? Here. And when you do that, you point your finger to the ground. That way you know where that thing is going. Okay, last one. So from staying neutral, I do my parry, even the way to the push. You bring, okay, then push up to the ground. Okay, point your fingers to the ground. Okay, last one. Back. Back. That's it. Bring. Here. Then here. Bring it to the ground. Okay? Now, with that, I go from staying neutral, take this one. I take this, okay, I even my weight from the push. Okay, now I bring here. Okay, now I step back and this